Hi everyone, it's Thandi here, and today I'm so excited because I tried something completely new, finger knitting using that giant yarn. That yarn is so soft, very very soft, and it's different from the ones that they use for making blankets. This one is super soft and is actually cozy on the skin. Yes, I made my first scarf with just my hands, no needles, no hooks, just me and this super soft chunky yarn. Yeah, I've been seeing all the DIY videos and thought, why not me? So this is my first ever attempt, and I can't wait to show you how it turns out. All right. You honestly don't need anything fancy for this, just chunky yarn and your fingers, that's it. So I choose that red color because of Christmas coming and Valentine coming, so I'll wear that scarf on two occasions. So you basically weave through yarn through the fingers, looking it in the pattern that builds into a chain like that. At first it looked messy, I won't lie. I had to redo mine a few times, but once I got the rhythm, it becomes relaxing. Okay, I sat down, turned some background music, and before I knew it, I had this beautiful scarf forming in my head. Oh, I love how my fingers became the tools. It felt like I was literally weaving peace and creativity together. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my god, this is good. And now, to be honest, the first few rows were not perfect at all. I missed a few loops and my tension was all over the place, as you can see. But guess what? It will get better with time. But the beauty, of course, is starting something new. Look at that. I was talking about how soft it is, and it was coming out nice as well there. I laughed at myself a few times and I thought, Thandi, what are you doing? But then I remembered everything we do for the first time feels awkward until it starts flowing. So that black is I just had to do another chain just to because I didn't have the black thread, the black yarn. I could have used the black yarn. Because I didn't have it, I used the other yarn that I had. It's not the same quality, different quality, but it's still good quality. So I had to do a chain that I used in place just to replace the yarn which I didn't have. Yeah, and the scarf, my god, as you can see, it's coming out very nice. I'm sorry I didn't manage to put that black chain through, but basically what it is I was just going to yarn through the loops, the black chain, the black thread, so that black color will just show on the scarf. You see it in the end. Okay, look at that. Guys, that is very therapeutic. That reminds me of my childhood. When I was 11, 12, I made my very first cardigan. I used to love knitting, so I'm kind of rekindling my childhood hobbies. That was very good. Crocheting, knitting. I think these are things that I would love to do because I really enjoyed this afternoon doing that. That was very therapeutic. When you're feeling bored and stressed, this actually did the trick. I felt much better after that. I'm already planning my next one. I think my next one would be I'm trying to get the right thread. The what do you call it? Why do I keep calling that a thread? The right yarn to use, because this one is super super soft. I think when I use something like this next time, it will be much better because the tension was all over the place, but it came out. It looked really good. So there looks like I'm actually there I'm actually ending. That is how you actually end the knitting. So I'm just showing you how you end it, and you just weave it through, bring the thread over, and it's actually very very easy. like that. Okay, you pick the next one and you keep doing the same thing until you get to the end. It's very, 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 very easy. I'll do it again there. You see, take the thread forward, pull that through. That's it. That is the final row. So you'll be actually finalizing that. It's very, very easy. Look at that. I think you actually getting the hang of it. It's very easy. So I can't wait to rock it. Really, I can't wait to rock it. I was thinking when I was doing it, I thought, should I do like a cardigan? But I realized that I didn't have enough material. I didn't have enough yarn to do that. So a scarf would be the best bet. So there it is. There it is, guys. I really can't complain. It actually came out nice. Considering that was my first time to do finger knitting, that was great. Look, the girl is wearing it already. Look at that. Look at that. This is so pretty. You know, guys, this is so soft. It is super, super soft. I can put it on just to. I like the feel on my skin. The feel of that yarn on my skin. It's amazing. It is so soft. Oh my god. Oh my god, it is so soft. I'll go back to the shop and try and buy other colors. I wanted a black and red, but I couldn't find the black. That's why I ended just buying one what do you call it, one ball of yarn, and it worked out really well. See, can I complain? No, I can't complain. Can you tell that this is the first time this person has done this finger knitting? No, now she's, oh my gosh, she's put it on already. That looks good on me. And guys, I can't wait to do my next project, and I've already ordered some yarn. Thanks for watching, guys. You take care. Bye.